oh my God, I don't know how to think from the perspective of the shoes of my customer. I just don't, right? So how do we go from biased to meaningful? So here's where it gets to the jobs to be done thing. This is a very old saying. It's from the 60s. You know, we don't need a quarter of an inch drill bit. We need a quarter of an inch hole in the wall, right? So I love it because it's a cliche, but I think it's interesting because with this idea of jobs to be done, it's like, have you guys recently hung a frame in the wall? Some of you? No? It's weird because I always get hands everywhere. So let's say that you guys have recently. So what are the steps? What are the jobs? So this is important for the exercise. What are the jobs that are implied in hanging a frame on the wall? So what is the first step? Okay, so that's the hard part, right? To mark where it's gonna go. Then what's the next step? To drill the hole? Yes, you need the I don't know the names in English. I forget the tornillo, the broca. So first you need to make sure that you need the tools, right? That the drill bit, the screw, the thing that goes in the wall are the same size. Exactly, and they're in Hebrew. I don't understand what it's 64. I don't know. I think it's from 64 64s to 3 64s. So I don't know. It's just not easy for anyone, right? And then let's say you manage, and then okay, but it changes if the wall is made of wood, concrete, drywall. What? So this is already, it's crazy, right? And then once you manage to get that done, all those are jobs, are cognitive jobs, right? But the companies that nobody's in the tool business here? Okay, the companies that manufacture tools, they say, that's not my problem. I'm in the business of selling tools, not in the business of hanging frames on the wall. That's your problem, right? That's your job. All industries do that because they see you from the perspective of the industry, not from the perspective of you, right? So I'm not done yet. So then you need to drill that hole in the wall. It's really hard, right? I hope you survive it because it's dangerous too, right? And then I hope if you're a guy, and you're married, I hope you survive your spouse getting angry about all the noise and about all the mess that you're gonna make, right? Those are jobs too, and so on and so forth, right? So it's not even about that hole in the wall. It's about the bigger thing, your aspiration. I want my house to look beautiful or whatever, right? Or about the picture, it's about a memory, it's about different things. So companies that, let's say we're a tool company, and we say, okay, I want to address the market of women, right? I want to sell drills to women. So let's have an innovation workshop. So what do they do? What do they do? I'm sorry? They make it pink. No, they make it small. Yeah. So because it's an industry point of view, I'm in the business of selling drills, right? And did they do a poor job at it, right? And then who solves this? Someone that's not in the industry of selling drills, right? Accidentally, for example, 3M. And I'm sure you've seen this product, right? So this is a product, just stickers.
Yeah,
that's why you haven't hired. Yes, exactly. They're stickers. So all of those jobs, with the exception of saying where it's going to go, all of those jobs are gone.